What is up guys, Roy here from TZ Tech Hub, and yes, Techtober is not over yet because we have got new exciting tech news. That is, Apple has just announced a new 2024 iPad mini, or iPad mini 7 if you like, with an online announcement. So let's take a look at it. The design of the new iPad mini seems to be the same as the previous one, but there are several updates under the hood. Now, starting with the biggest one, Apple Intelligence has been brought into the iPad mini, and yes, that couldn't be possible without a new chipset. So it has been given A17 Pro Bionic chipset, which has 6-core CPU that is 30% faster and 5-core GPU that is 25% faster than the previous generation. The front camera location has not been changed, it's still on the top side of the screen, speaking of which still has 8.3 inches display size, which is similar to that of previous generation iPad mini. The main camera has been updated with large aperture and Smart HDR4, which will provide the user with improved videos and clear images. Another big update on iPad mini 7 is that it will support Apple Pencil Pro with all its features and gestures, which is actually a huge update over the previous models of iPad, including the latest 2024 M2 iPad Air. Some small updates that are coming to iPad mini 7 include the absence of physical SIM card tray, just like in the iPhones. Also, it will be featuring Wi-Fi 6, which will bring even more faster internet connection to iPad mini. But lastly, it's coming in 4 new colors, that is Space Gray, Blue, Purple, and the Starlight, of which both of them are kind of lighter compared to the previous generations. So another good news on iPad mini 7 is that the baseline storage is 128 gigs at the entry level price of just $499 US, which is an improvement over the previous models, which had 64 gigs at the entry level as the baseline storage. And of course, yes, for those in US, you can pre-order now and it will be available on 23rd of this October. So for the latest tech updates, make sure to subscribe so that you get notified timely once we upload the videos. Peace.